Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're taking a look at the Henley rectangular casual dining set with adjustable table, ideal for seating up to 8 people. This outdoor resin is hand-woven over an aluminium frame, so it's lightweight, strong, durable and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This combination of materials is perfect for all weathers. The natural palette is ideal for both traditional and modern garden spaces. Hartman's Weatherready deep luxury cushions allow for maximum comfort. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams, flow through the permeable fibres and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable. For additional comfort, we've added non-slip mats under all of our cushions, and stool cushions are secured with the elasticated toggles. Resin feet are used on the base of each leg to ensure stability and avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The Tuscan ceramic glass top offers an aesthetically pleasing finish, whilst also ensuring durability. It is tempered, easy to clean, and boasts a heat and scratch-resistant surface. This set comes with the height-adjustable rectangular casual dining table, allowing you flexibility for an evening meal or a relaxed coffee with friends. To adjust the table, you'll need the help of another person. Place your foot into the hollow and lift the tabletop out of the bracket. Gently realign the tabletop above to the higher bracket. Carefully push down and you'll hear the click. At Hartman, we understand that seating flexibility is important, and different gardens require unique configurations. That's why we've introduced our modular casual dining set. Just see how easy it is to make your space your own. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.